JC, live na live pa rin tayo dun sa Department of Agriculture at nakita nga natin kanina ang dami ng mga nagtutugtugan, may mga booths na rin. So, alam naman natin kung bakit.
Talagang festive, no? Dahil
Festive.
115th year anniversary ng Department of Agriculture. Ibig sabihin pala nito, 1898 pa sila, no? Meron ng Department of Agriculture.
At nung June 23, 2013 nga kahapon ay official na nilang celebrate o nag-mark ang 115th year anniversary ng Department of Agriculture. And para bigyan tayo ng impormasyon tungkol sa mga mangyayaring mga activities this morning, makasama natin si Undersecretary Antonio Fleta, Administration and Finance, Department of Agriculture. Good morning, Yusek.
Hi, good morning, Ian, and good morning, JC.
Magandang umaga, Undersecretary. Yung tema ng anniversary ng DA ngayon ay kawani sama-sama, misyon ng kagawaran ay kayang-kaya. Bakit ito yung napili ninyo?
Basically, the main theme is really team effort. No? Everybody plays an important role towards the attainment of our goal. So basically, we have to ask all our employees to be with us in attaining that goal.
Ano po ba yung pinaka-mission ng Department of Agriculture?
At the very start, when we came over, the secretary came over, no? Of course, the main order by the president is really to ensure food self-sufficiency. And that is where we have focused our activities, the operations of Department of Agriculture. No? And rice being the political commodity, we have focused more on rice. And I am happy to tell you that the commitment made by the President together with the Secretary Proceso Alcala that we will be rice self-sufficient by year 2013, we're almost there. Actually, we're almost there. From an importation 3 years ago of about over 2 million metric tons, we have reduced this presently for 2013 to around 130,000 metric tons only.
130,
yeah,
Yusek,
right.
oo.
So that is more or less 180. I want to, I think it's 180,000 metric tons. But we would like to inform you now that aside from rice self-sufficiency, we have also programs for other products. No? We have program for corn, we have program for livestock, we have program for fisheries, and we're happy to tell you that we're also doing good there in terms of the production of the other commodities, no? Other than the rice.
Yusek, nasabi niya ang pinaka-common goal is rice self-sufficient. Gusto niyo po maging rice self-sufficient po tayo. Ano po ba yung mga naka-line up na activities na related po sa pinaka-tema po ng selebrasyon ng anibersaryo po ngayon?
Well, we have announced that 2013 is the year of the rice. And we have several activities prior to this on the year of the rice. No? And the main theme is really, number one, aside from producing more palay, we have to also conserve rice. No?
Okay.
Proper use of rice. And there are also other alternatives other than rice, like kasaba, corn, etc. No? And that is exactly what we did. And basically, I think people now are fully aware of what we've been doing. And a lot of them are really now following what we have asked them to do.
Pero Yusek, ngayong linggo, tama ba, ngayong buong linggo ay magse-celebrate o magdiriwang kayo ng inyong anniversary?
For that, first let me congratulate my co-employees for the 115th year anniversary.
Congratulations.
Congratulations!
Yeah, today is the start of our activities. No?
Okay.
After the flag raising ceremonies, we have different exhibits. No? Aside from, of course, we have also booth concerning livelihood projects, no? Like piggery, duck racing, and then we have also vegetables that will be exhibited here, no? In our booth. And these are really for people to see the products, the commodities that the Department of Agriculture is to support.
So this is open to the public and free
Yes,
entrance?
definitely. They can go around and
Mhm.
see, and perhaps if they're interested, especially in the
They can
livelihood
join.
program, they can even ask our technical people, and they will be a big help to them.
Mhm. Actually, Yusek, bukod naman sa anniversary, and I'm sure ngayon ay ina-assess na rin ng Department of Agriculture kung kumusta nga ba no, yung naging termino thus far ng ating kagawaran. Ano yung mga pinaka naging malaking challenge o hamon, at the same time, ano naman yung mga tingin nyo ay pinaka napagtagumpayan ninyo bilang kagawaran?
The big challenge here really is the food self-sufficiency,
Right.
especially on rice self-sufficiency. Other than that, we have also the climate change mitigation, and that is also a big challenge. Remember, about 2 years ago, we had a big typhoon that hit Central Luzon. And you must remember that Central Luzon is the #1 rice producer. No? And in spite of all this, we're able to overcome. And as I said, we're hitting rice self-sufficiency already. And the first 3 years was, these 3 years, we focus really on the production. No? That we know, we will not be stopping there. What we're looking at is if you have more supplies now, you have to look for where it will be distributed. No? And now we're looking at the export.
Meron po ba tayo, Yusek, na goal or timetable kung saan tinitingnan natin or taon kung kailan tayo or kaya na ng Pilipinas maging rice self-sufficient?
Yeah, it's really 2013.
2013.
And in fact, as I see it now, we really is rice self-sufficient because this year also we're able to export rice, the brown rice,
Wow, that's
to
good.
Dubai.
Actually, alam mo, Dayan, yung isang very interesting na trivia sa DA ay ito pala yung unang-unang ahensya
Oo,
no, na
unang-una.
naitatag sa ating pamahalaan. No? Actually, would you have a bit of trivia rin, Yusek, tungkol dito sa pagkakatayo ng DA?
The reason why the Department of Agriculture was the very first one is because we're an agricultural country. And our economy lies on more on agriculture. So during that time, they really have focus on agriculture.
Right. And
So-
can we still say that now, Yusek, na agricultural pa rin tayo? Kasi sabi na medyo nagiging service-oriented or urban-centric na yung ating bansa.
Although these things came about only several years back. No?
Right.
But you must remember that up to now, it is the food production that
Right.
is the main economy of our country.
So yan, JC, ang dami natin natutunan lalo na sa kanilang anibersaryo. So I'm sure maraming mga yung viewers natin dyan na syempre gustong dumalaw dito sa Department of Agriculture. Ito po ay open sa publiko. Maaari silang mag-join sa mga activities at maaari rin silang umikot sa mga booths. Dahil kita ko kanina nung nag-iikot ako, may mga pinya, may pink salmon. So marami silang pwedeng mabili. Meron ding mga malong, iba-ibang mga produkto na maaari nilang magustuhan.
Actually, Dayan, bukod pa doon sa anniversary, talagang natutuwa ako doon sa balita sa atin no, ni Undersecretary
Yes.
na apparently kayang-kaya nating maabot yung rice self-sufficiency.
Actually,
ngayong
ito ng
taon.
taon para
Oo,
kay
yun
Yusek
nga.
talagang rice self-sufficient na ang bansa ngayong year 2013 at nasabi nga niya 2013 National Year of Rice.
At-
So ito ay dapat tayo ay mag-conserve at tayo ay dapat ubusin natin talaga yung pagkain natin. Huwag tayong mag-aksaya.
Tama. At nakakatuwa kasi ang laki nung binawas no, from 2 million imports naging 130,000. So talagang malaking congratulations at pagpupugay
Thank you.
din sa inyo, no, Undersecretary. At this point, Undersecretary, meron ba tayong kahit anong huling mensahe no, para sa ating mga boss na nanonood?
Well, para sa ating mga kababayan, nung nais ko sana iparating sa inyo na ang kagawaran ng pagsasaka ay handang makipagtulungan sa lahat ng mga magsasaka, no? Upang lalo nating mapalawig at mapalaganap ang pagtatanim sa ating mga palayan at ang pag-aalaga ng ating pangisdaan.
So, Yusek, would you like to invite our viewers na pumunta po dito sa mga mangyayaring activities po ng anniversary ng Department of Agriculture?
Ayan, nais kong aanyayahan ang ating mga kababayan na kung meron kayong panahon, pakipasyalan ninyo ang aming mga exhibits dito po sa aming opisina. Makita po ninyo ang mga produkto ng kagagawaran, no, ng ating pagsasaka. Yun lang po at maraming salamat sa inyong dalawa.
Thank you so much.
Yusek Yan,
Again,
si
happy
Yes.
115th year anniversary po sa inyo at sa Department of Agriculture.
Thank you.
Pagpupugay din sa napakagandang trabaho thus far, Yusek. Yan po si Undersecretary Antonio Fleta, ang in charge sa Administration and Finance Department of Agriculture.